In front of me is POCO M7, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to click on more connectivity options available here. Now you need to select Printing. Click on System Printing Service, Xiaomi Home, or any other service you have and wanna use. Don't worry, they all turn on the same way. And wait! Your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. If you are struggling to connect though, enable Print Service, and when you do, click on this button that appears at the bottom. Choose Add Printer, and if your printer supports Wi-Fi direct printing, use this switcher. Hit Allow for it to work. Click again. Tap on Find Wi-Fi direct printers and let your POCO search for yours. You can also click on this option here, called Add Printer by IP address. Input it here and connect manually by hitting Add. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!